Oh man, this thing is huge. What is up, guys? Welcome to another episode of RKFA. We are at the city of Corpus Christi Wildlife Sanctuary. If you guys aren't familiar with this area, it's between Sandia and Mathis. We got Lake Corpus Christi to my left. The Nueces River continues from the Wesley Seal Dam, which we're gonna go check out. We're gonna fish the riverbank for some bass, some bass, white bass, crappie, maybe some gar. We're gonna be out here for a couple of hours only. I'm gonna have zero cell reception, so I need to make this trip pretty quick just in case I get a call from work. So let's get out there and get the line wet, man. Shh, tight lines. Man, it's been a while since I've walked down this way. I haven't been out here. I'm pretty sure the water's low. I think last time I was here, all this grass was nice and green. There's a lot of flowers. A lot of bluebonnets around here that grow in the wild. There's a lot of wild grapes as well. If the dam was releasing water, we'd be able to hear it by now. Oh yeah, it's gonna be low. There's usually water or a little stream of water that runs across, and everything's just so the water's level's pretty low. Man, the water's clear over here. Oh man, I wonder there's bass in here. Ooh, loose rock. There'll not be any slithering surprises. Wow, man, the water's so clear. A couple tosses, man. See if I don't know if there's any fish in here or not. Watch me get a big hook up here. I don't see any fish whatsoever here. Okay, let's keep moving along. Boy, this would be a bad place to break an ankle. Man, it's so nice to see that there's no trash, man. I haven't seen any trash laying around. That's a good thing. People have been picking up their trash. Let's start from one end as far as we can go downriver, and then we'll work our way upriver. So I've got 5G here, but once I go down the river or down the bank, man, signal is gone. Oh snap, we got a trail going this way too. Oh, what's this area? I've never been out here before. This looks like a nice little spot here. All right, man. See if we can hook up some fish here. Is there any fishies here? There's got to be some fishies here, huh? Oh man, it's real shallow. Nothing but a little bitty creek back here. I saw a little water moving, but I don't think there's any fish here. Guess we'll try that little corner right here. And just let that bounce in the bottom. Man, I didn't know there was a little opening over here. It's pretty cool. Tells y'all how much freshwater fishing I do, man. I literally live about 15 minutes down the road from here. And I haven't came out here as often as I should be coming out here. But man, Gaspergou, if you guys haven't had Gaspergou, man, that's some good eating fish. Gaspergou is the freshwater drum. And with those, I usually catch those, I use a tiny hook and some night crawler. Fish in the bottom. Man, I wonder if we're gonna get any luck out here. I don't know. how to bass fish. I have no idea. Work the bottom, work the banks. Man, I'm almost tempted of slapping on a rooster tail. But I think we'll wait for that. See if there's anything down here. Man, today's so peaceful, man. Well, if I get hooked, if I get broken off, man, I'm definitely gonna put on that little rooster tail. Well, I guess I can't give up on bass already. Patience, grasshopper, remember. Gotta have patience, man. Patience is my middle name. Alright, let's go try a different spot, man, because I think the water here's a little too shallow. And that opening was pretty cool. I thought the river went all the way through. I guess let's try going this way. If you don't use the word sketch during your fishing trip, it's not a fishing trip. I just don't need an anaconda jumping in front of me. Sketch, sketch, sketchy. It's a good little area. It looks like a good little spot here, so the fish could be hiding in between all this, in between these trees, right? But is it too shallow though? Is the question. Ooh, I can feel the sun in my face. Time to buff up. Please don't get hung up. Oh, bro. I think that was a big gar. Ah, come on. There we go, first hang up. Learn how to tie your knots, bro. Well, time to retie. And voila. We are retied, man. Let's give this rooster tail a few tosses and see if we get any luck. I don't want it to sink too low right now because I don't know how deep this place is. I don't know what kind of terrain we got in the bottom. And I'm retrieving just slow enough to where I can feel the, you can definitely feel the spoon working, because it's gonna give you a little bit of drag. If you don't feel it, just give your line a jerk, man, and just let the spoon set. There we go. Let the spoon set and just slow retrieval. And you want to fan your casts. Oh, I didn't even open it properly. Oh, okay. I see you. Oh wait, what am I doing? Oh, they're gonna run the hook through the front, man. Does the black go up or does the black go down? Oh god. Where's the picture? Right, picture. There's no picture. Where's the eyes at? Where the eye? Oh, they're in the back. Hello, Helen. It's a freaking crawdad. Oh, I see you. I see you now. There we go. It's a crawfish, man, going backwards. Dee dee dee. There we go, man. The freaking crawfish is crawling. Come on, noob. Get with the program. I was thinking it was a marsh monster. Alright guys, so I guess we're gonna head up the river. And let's head up the river to another good spot, man. I don't want to get hung up again. I'm too old for this shit. Yeah, right. I'm only 43. Oh, yeah, I don't want to fall on there. Because there will be a missing 43-year-old. New freshwater fishing. Missing. there's a little fish in here somewhere, man. Oh, dude. Fish on, baby. Yes, man. Bro. What is it, man? Could it be a little bass? Man, this guy's all over the place, man. Oh, dude, Gaspergou, come on. Bro. Dude. Yeah, man. Bro, come on. Guys, this is some good eating right here, man. Okay, I think this guy's pretty much done. Let's see, where am I gonna land him? Oh, no, come back. Come back. There we go. There we go. All right, I guess, let's see if I can break off my line. Come on there, guy. Ooh, come on. Yeah. What? Dude, are you kidding me? Yeah, Gaspergou, baby. Boom, man, this thing is huge. Man, you're going back, buddy. You are going back. Oh, bro, you got some chompers on you, man. I cannot believe you hit a lure. Bro. Thank you, man. All right, let's get you going home. Out of here. That Gaspergou must have been, man, I don't know, man, 20 inches. That thing was huge. If you guys eat them, I don't know if you guys know, but those things, if you crack their heads open, they've got two stones sitting, one on each side of its skull. They look like rocks, man. They look pretty crazy. Man, that was too cool, man. Gaspergou on the lure. Personal best on the lure. Come on. There's the Wesley Seal Dam, guys. Oh, it's not a fish. It is a fish. Crappie. Man, right on, man. I think it's got to be 10 inches to be a keeper. Let's take a picture. That was a cool picture, man. Oh, I caught a pretty good sized Gaspergou. Really? Down there, yeah, on lure. That was fun. I never caught a Gaspergou on lure, and then I just pulled this little guy out.
You come down here a lot and fish?
Not really. I do more saltwater. I don't really get too much luck freshwater fishing. That's why and then today seemed like a nice day, so I decided to come out here and give it a shot. So.
Good luck to you.
Thank you. They scared me. Oh, that was a cool little catch, huh? All right, guys, so it is day 2. We made it to the opposite side of the dam. We were down there yesterday. So today I decided to bring a second rod. Oh, there goes my drink. I'll get it. So I decided to bring a second rod because I wanna be casting both rooster tails and this dinger. Today we're gonna fish, I guess, a shaded area instead of the sunny area like yesterday. So we're gonna stick to the right side here. All right, man, let's get down there. Let's go get them. Let's go get my drink first. Man, I remember fishing here since I was a kid, man. I could never remember the water being this low. This is crazy. It was always water up here. Gar everywhere. Okay, let's try and make it across these rocks without falling. I thought it was gonna be worse. Oh yeah, man, it's already. Ooh, look at that, some movement already. Man, it is such a beautiful morning. That was a fish were biting would be even better. Do I have signal? Oh, yes I do. Man, guys, I told y'all yesterday about not having signal, man. I had signal pretty much all day. I guess AT&T must be doing something right now. There's some people out in the country too, you know. Really? There we go. There we go. Ah, white bass right here for sure. Oh, 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 oh. Ha. There we go. This is a white bass. Here we go. Okay. Get out of here. No skunk today. Oh yeah, that was a white bass. The other one was a crappie from yesterday. There we go. Another white bass. Haha. Alright, guy. You're going back. You're going back. Don't you worry about that. Out of here. Alright, guys. Last cast because I gotta go to work. Work call. Alright, guys. Welcome to day 3 of the damn episode. Ha, get it? Damn. So yesterday I only came out for like 30 minutes. I got called in to go to work. We're gonna go to the same spot where we went yesterday, where we caught those 2 little white bass. Can't stop, can't quit. I know there's fish here. We just gotta learn how to catch them. So today's difference, I added a little bullet weight. I think this is a 1/4 ounce little bullet weight, and we're gonna continue throwing this rooster tail as well. All right, guys. No, you know what? We're gonna go down there and just hang out, see if we can spot any fish. Oh, knife's still here. I guess the owner don't like it. Oh yeah, baby. Oh man, this is a nice one. Nice white bass. Man, pretty cool. This guy's a keeper. Hold on, guys, let's confirm. Let me open up my app. Let's see. Outdoor annual fishing, freshwater limit. Oh, here we go. White bass, 10-inch minimum, 25 daily bag. Cool. You get to go back there, buddy. So this is day 3. I only came for like 3 hours or 4, and only caught, didn't miss. But the only thing that I think hit and caught was, I guess, that 11 or 12-inch little white bass. I threw the rooster tail, then the white worm dinger, the purple and the dark blue, the yum and the power bait. That's what I threw. And man, no luck, no hits. Alright guys, so that's gonna be the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, man. It was something new for RKFA. If I get a thumbs down, I understand. I gave myself a thumb up because 3 days in a row, well actually I guess 2 days, a couple hours here and there. Yesterday I was just out here for like an hour, but I had to go back to work. And I had those 2 fish. I bet you I was on the school right there. Man, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was a little frustrating because I know there's fish there. They just weren't hitting. I wasn't using the right lures. Recap of the location. It's Highway 359 between Mathis and Sandia. Take Park Road 22. And there's right there at the corner, there's a bait shop. You guys can pick up some minnows, and I think minnows under a little float work good. You turn at the store and then there's an RV park. And as soon as you pass an RV park, there's a little parking area on your left hand side. And you can park there and just walk down the trail, and just take any trail and it'll take you to the river. Or before you cross the bridge, or you can take this road or walk down the trails and it'll get you to the river. All right guys, till next time, tight lines.